G'day folks, this is just going to be a quick, simple little video. Now, one of the big problems that I have, and many people have experienced with the Osmo Pocket, is that there's no way to connect a lanyard or a wrist strap to it. Now, for the most part, that's not a big problem, but if you're doing something, say, like ziplining, and you're going to be zooming across a tree canopy with this in your hand, you want some protection and some backup in case you happen to drop it. So recently I picked up this from Amazon, and it is a silicone rubber case with a lanyard for the Osmo Pocket. So let's go in, we'll take a look at it, and see if it helps solve the problem. So as you can see here, this is the black version. They do come in many different colors, and there's actually many different manufacturers that are now selling these. So let's see what we got in here. So here we have the lanyard, and here we have the silicone case. So it's kind of similar to the silicone case that GoPro sells that basically adds a lanyard to your GoPro. I opted to go to the black just to keep things simple, and I'm assuming it just slides in through the top there. Looks like it might be kind of a tight squeeze. We might have to do some stretching of it. So there we go there. We have it all installed. So now we can go and put that port adapter back in, just like that. As you can see, when it's installed, we have full view of the little LCD screen. We have access to the memory card slot, the buttons on the front, and the charging port at the back. There's little cutouts for the microphones on the front, and one there at the bottom. At the back here we have a little loop, and that's where we attach the lanyard. Now, as far as I can tell, when you have the silicone sleeve attached, it's not compatible with the scroll wheel. It just, that little bit of rubber there just does not allow the leads to make a connection. So if that is something that you use a lot, that's something to take in consideration as well. Now, on the other hand, if you're a person who uses it with your phone a lot, it is fully compatible. It still makes a good connection there, so there's no problem there. Now, another accessory here that many people do use is the wireless module, and if you have the silicone sleeve installed, it will not fit in there anymore. So keep that in mind if you use this a lot. That might not be an option for you. So the other added bonus with a sleeve like this, it does give the body a little bit protection. I know mine's already kind of getting a little scuffed up just from being in my pocket and different things like that. So that kind of does protect it a little bit. These sleeves are actually fairly inexpensive, so it does add a little bit of protection and definitely gives you a nice lanyard to keep it around your neck, or you can wrap it around your wrist if need be. And there we go, we got the lanyard attached. So now you can go and hang this around your neck. And there's a couple different points at which you can disconnect it. If you're going to be doing some filming and you don't want the lanyard on there, you can pull it off right there. So then all you have is that little piece there, so it's not going to get in your way. The other point of disconnection is right here. So yeah, folks, that's basically it for my video. Not a bad little investment for the Osmo Pocket. Keeps it protected, gives you a lanyard. Now, one thing you do have to keep in mind, the Osmo Pocket does get a little bit warm, and having a silicone sleeve like that on there does kind of keep the heat in a little bit. That could be an issue if you do long periods of recording. Well, folks, that's basically it for my video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this silicone sleeve and lanyard. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And I also invite you to go and like my Facebook page. Sometimes I post different things there that aren't on my YouTube channel, different photos and different things like that. So go and check it out. The links are down at the bottom of the description. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next one.